Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how touch command helps you to create and update timestamp of a file or files. So let's get started. Now I have switched back to my Parrot operating system, and then I can do ls-l to verify the files and folders within the directory. So in this case, I have typed the wrong command, ls-l, hit enter, and I can see that directory 5 and file 3. Okay, seems to be fine. Now, if I wanted to create a file without having any kind of content within it, I can use touch command. Touch command, and then let's say file1.txt, and then hit enter, and then ls-l to verify. And now you can see that file1 is created with 0 bytes of content within it. So that means this file is empty. If I wanted to read the file cat file1.txt, hit enter, you can see that there is no content within it. I can create multiple files using touch. I would say touch, and then file 2.txt, I would say file 4.txt, I would say file 5.txt, and then hit enter. ls-l to verify, hit enter, and you can see that multiple files were created, but no contents are within those files. So that means touch command creates files of 0 bytes. Okay, seems to be fine. Now, touch command is also used for updating the timestamp of a file. So if you're working with a file and then you wanted to see or you wanted to work with that file tomorrow, so what you can do is you can update the timestamp of a file today just to make sure that the last file that you worked today is going to be validated as the latest file that you have worked. So I would say this is file 3. Now file 3 was created at 12:25 p.m. Okay, now if I do touch file 3 txt, hit enter, and then ls-l, hit enter, now you can see that file 3 was created at 12:25 p.m. Now the timestamp is updated to 12:42. So that means you can update the timestamp just to make sure that you have worked with the last file, and tomorrow when you log into your system, you can verify that, okay, what was the last file that I was working on? You can check that, and okay, that was the last file. So you can just update the timestamp just to make sure that what kind of file you were working yesterday, and then tomorrow you can log into the same file or access the same file just to make sure that you update or you add or you modify some kind of changes within that specific file. So this is how touch command helps you to create multiple files of 0 bytes within it, and then you can also update the timestamp of a file. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.